Hello friends, welcome. We are going to talk about next tool using that ice cream video editor. So let's talk about that tool. Let's open ice cream video editor. So here is. Let's add one video. So I have added here. So let's drag this to timeline. Here is timeline. So we are going to talk about tool audio. So under this we can say uh, volume, fade in, fade out, audio effects, keep original audio, etc. So how to what is the meaning of particular command or tool? So let's understand that. Volume, actually it increases the volume. We can see here, like if I click done, that if I play it, sound increases, volume increases, I mean. Similarly, uh, next is there fade in and fade out. So what is fade in and fade out? Let's understand about that. Fade in and fade out, actually it is related to audio engineering. In this audio engineering, of fade is a gradual increase or decrease in the level of an audio signal. A recorded signal may be gradually reduced to silence at its end. If we are going to make it silent at its end, that is called fade out, that is second option. And if we are going to increase it from silence at the beginning, if we are going to make it silent at the beginning, that is fading here, and if that is at its end, then that is fade out. Out means at the end and fade in means at the beginning. So let's see it practically. So we can change it, we can also change it, we can increase it, we can decrease it, like this. Done. And we can play it. So that was about this. Similarly, we can also put here audio effects like chorus. If we click done, so sound effect will be chorus. Similarly, if we take echo, then it would be echo. Similarly, so other effects we can add here. So that is the meaning of audio effect. We can also reset to default of this audio effect. And next tool is a keep original audio and adjust original audio to soundtrack added. So keep original audio means we can keep it, and if we don't want to have this audio track in our video, then just we can uncheck it. Like if I uncheck it, then what happens? If I click done, then the sound, I mean the audio track, it will get removed. So if I click play, there will be no sound. We can see here there is no sound. Similarly, if I click check out this, if I click done, if I click play, we can see sound here. So that is called keep original audio. And second is adjust original audio to soundtrack added. It means we can add both its original audio as well as the sound we can add here. Like if I check out this, if I also check out this, and if I uh, insert one audio file, so let's take one file here. So if I drag here to timeline, if I now if I play it, so we can see both the sounds, its original sound and its uh, next level external track, both we can see here. So this is how we can understand about this audio. adjusting original audio to soundtrack edit. So we have here edit part is here, and next is an original video. Actually, original track, actually it is with the video which we have inserted here or imported here. So this was about the audio. In next video we'll be talking about trimming, cropping, etc. So till then, take care and goodbye. Thank you.